In this video, we are going to see few more topics of data science. First topic is how to add an index field using Python, how to change a misleading field using Python, how to re-express categorical field values using Python, and how to standardize numerical field using Python. Before we see how this data science field are using, we will see data preparation. Data preparation is the process of preparing raw data so that it is suitable for further processing. Means we are preparing the raw data for further processing processes and analysis steps, including collecting, cleaning, and labeling raw data into a form suitable for machine learning algorithm, and then exploring and visualizing in the data. In short, we are preparing the data so that it will be suitable for the algorithms to apply. What is data frame? Data frame is a data structure that organizes data into a two-dimensional table of rows and column, much like a spreadsheet. Means data frame is a data structure which makes the data into a table-like structure. We will see how to add an index field using Python. So first we import the library pandas, and then we will create our a dictionary which contains name, age, and marks as key and values. Then we will make its data frame, and then we will print. So this will print the in a table format like this. Uh, First is name, then age, then marks in a tabular format. Now we will see how to change the misleading field values using Python. Means that suppose our table contain some missing values, like the age for the first row is missing, like this 21 is missing. So how to handle this kind of situation using Python, we will see that. The first option is we can replace this value by the mean of all the column values. Like suppose the value is missing, so we will calculate the mean of the whole column, and we will put that value here. The second method is the replacing by median. So we can replace the value by the median of all the column values. There are other method also, like we will draw random variable distribution, and then we can replace with that variable. Now third is we will see how to express categorical field using Python. To express the categorical field, we will use a function called categorical, and then we will pass the two parameters here. The first is our list, and then the ordered value, which is true. So we will print this categorical value, and these are the values, five objects in the category wise manner. Now we will see how to standardize numerical field using Python. To standardize the data in pandas, Z-score is a very popular method in pandas that is used to standardize the data. Z-score will tell us how many standard deviation away a value is from the mean. Means value is how far is from the mean, Z-score will tell us. And when we standardize the data will change into specific form where the graph of its frequency will form a bell curve. So we will form a bell curve with the help of the frequency model. So firstly we will import the pandas library, then we will create two key value pairs, and with the help of the data frame function of pandas, we will pass the details of our, then it will frame the data, it will create a data frame of our object. So now we will compare the calculate the Z score. So Z score is df of first column minus the mean of first column divided by first column of standard deviation of first column, and then we will print the Z score of first column. So in the first column, see there are the Z scores of all the first columns. Thank you. That's all from these particular topics.